Hey guys, welcome. This is our review video, and so let us begin. Trap is a trapezoid, and ZL is the median. Cool. So I know these are congruent, by the way. Boom. Boom. I don't know if that's going to have anything to do with anything, but we'll see. RZ equals 2x plus 18. Well, that's convenient. And ZT equals y plus 23. AL equals x plus 19. And LP equals 3y minus 16. So because I actually just wrote that, this and this are congruent, and these two are congruent. So we're going to go ahead and set those equal. We get 2x plus 18 equals y plus 23, and then we also get x plus 19 equals 3y minus 16. Oh my gosh, systems of equations, they haven't gone away yet. So let's do it to it, shall we? I'm going to choose to solve this equation for y. So when I rewrite the equation over here, all I have to do is subtract the 23 from both sides. And I'm going to get 2x. This is going to become negative 41 equals y. So this equation is now set for y. So instead of putting this y here, I'm going to actually put 2x minus 41. So let's go ahead and do that. So I got x plus 19 equals 3 multiplied by 2x minus 4 minus 16. That's 4. Let's distribute. I'm going to get 3 times 2 is 6x, and 3 times negative 4 is a negative 12 minus 16 equals x plus 19. Let's go ahead and combine like terms. We'll get x plus 19, that didn't change, equals 6x, negative or negative, make negative 28. Let's move everything to the appropriate sides. Subtract the x over because it's smaller. And we're going to go ahead and add the 28 because it's larger. Alright, and when we go ahead and do that, this cancels here, and we're left with 28 plus 19 is going to leave us with 47 equals, and this is going to become 5t. 5x is what I meant to say. Ha! Tricked you. So yeah, 5x. Cool. Alright. Then we go ahead and divide by 5. Boom, boom, boom. And once we do this, we'll get our x value. So we'll write all of our values up here. X equals, and this is going to be, let's see, 5 goes into 45 9 times. And so we're going to have a decimal. Can you use a calculator? Can you use and have decimals in your answer? The answer is yes, you can. And we're going to get an answer of 9.4, which is okay. We're going to take 9.4x that we got here, and we're going to plug it back in. So let's go ahead and erase some stuff so we have some more space to do some other problem. Once I get x, I got to plug it back in for y, and so I'm going to take the equation we got here, and we had 2 times 9.4 minus 4 equals y, and when we multiply that by 2, I get 18.8 minus 4 equals y, so y is going to equal 14.4. And there we go. Decimals, are they okay? Yes, they are. Alright, here you go. Alright, next problem. We got a rhombus. It is called rhomb for rhombus. Rm is going to equal x squared minus 2x, so that's this side length. And OH is 5x minus 12. Solve for x and find the perimeter of the rhombus. Okay, there'll be more than one answer for both parts. Remember, rhombuses, all sides are congruent. Boom, boom, boom. So we're going to set these two equal to each other, but when we do that, our problem is we have an x squared and a normal x. So we're going to move everything over to the same side because we got to turn this into a quadratic. So I'm subtracting the 5x, adding the 12 to both sides. I'm going to be left with x squared minus 7x plus 12 equals 0. We got to x factor. Okay, what numbers multiply to give me 12 but add to give me negative 7? The answers are negative 4 and negative 3. Remember, but the solution is actually 4 and 3. It's the opposites. Okay, so x equals 4 and 3. Well, I haven't exactly solved the question. I've solved for x. So we'll write that up here. X equals 4 and 3. But now what does the perimeter equal? Well, we're going to have two different perimeters given two different pieces. So we're going to have 5x minus 12. So 5x minus 12. The x is going to be 4. We'll do that first. That's 20 minus 12. That's going to give me 8. So we get a side length of 8. So what's the perimeter if the side length is 8? We just do 8 times 4. And we get 32. So one of our perimeters is going to be 32. Alright, well, let's create some space for us because we got kind of taking up some space here. So what happens if I have x equals 3? I'm going to have a little bit different answer. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 minus 12 is 3 for my side length. So my perimeter, multiply that by 4 because there's 4 sides. It's going to be 12. So I have multiple answers here, 4 and 3, and their perimeters respectively would be 32 and 12. Alright, here we go. Rectangle. This is actually our last problem here. Only 3 today. Hopefully this one's easy. I'm hoping so. Alright, RA is this segment right here. So we got RA. We're talking about a rectangle. And then we got ET. ET, phone home. ET, phone home. Okay. The good news here is that we need to find x. So we got a set equation with the pink and the black have some sort of relationship. Well, the good news is we know that diagonals bisect and are congruent in a rectangle. So every single one of these pieces is equal. So if I had RA, it should be equal to ET if I double RA, right? Because RA is only half. So I gotta double it. So our equation becomes 2 times x plus 3 equals 4x minus 44. Alright, so we get 2x plus 6 equals 4x minus 44. Let's go ahead and move my pieces to their appropriate places. And we're going to subtract 2x. Here, here. Okay, boom, boom. Sorry, that didn't cancel. That's the 2x. And we're going to add 44. That booms away. And we get 50 equals 2x, so x equals 25. Oops. Oops. X equals 25. There we go. Change colors on you. Ha. Find RC. Okay. Well, let's see. RA would be then 25 plus 3, right? 25 plus 3. So RA is going to be 28. So RC is the whole thing, and it's just doubled. So RC is going to be double that. So if I double 28, I'm going to get 56. So there's our answers. X equals 25. RC equals 56. And if you do everything correctly, it spells out Rusty. Thank you very much. Have a beautiful day and choose some spear. Amen. Gum.